first started TikTok, I was like, no way, Jose, I ain't gonna post, I'm gonna be a watcher. Just a watcher. And a couple days ago, my mom and I made a bet, and she was like, hey, you become TikTok famous, you could quit school. I hate school, I'm failing school. So I decided that I'd be making a slime for every single person that follows me. Yes, you heard that right. Every single person. So comment what you want. Give this video a like, share it, and let's see how this goes. Thank you.
I'm mad at Disney, they tricked me, had me wishing on a shooting star. But now I'm 20-something, I still know nothing about who I am or what I'm not. So call me a pessimist, but I don't believe in it. Finding a true love is bullshit. 'Cause I felt sad love, I felt bad love.
The B, it's M to 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 the B, bang.
Come make some slimes for this Friday's restock with me. So first we made emerald clusters, which is a super crunchy jelly and bingsu slime, and this is one of my first fall slimes of the year. Then we made a thick and glossy slime with foam beads named Vanilla Cake Cream. This one smells so good. And then some Moonchild jelly. This one is a bestseller in the shop all the time. And then we finished it off
The B, it's M to 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 the B, bang.
It took too long for you to call back. And normally I would just forget that, except for the fact it was my birthday, my stupid birthday. I played along.
What I do in a workday, part 2. I first had some iced coffee, then got right to work making new slimes for Friday's restock. Next, I unpacked some deliveries we got, and then had an acai bowl and bagel for lunch. After that, I staged some slimes and took photos of them for the website. Then I had a few meetings and filmed myself like an idiot. After my meeting, I made some more slimes for the restock. And lastly, filmed some videos for my Instagram. Thanks for watching, like and follow for more.
Falling in love. She said, what you know about love? I tell you everything. I got what you need. Woke up in the store and get what you want. Yeah. You get what you please. We bout to get it on.
Oh my god, did you call me baby?
Maybe, is that okay?
Yeah, it's cool.